Dr. Reddington here with Nature's Gold. Think of me as your body's backstage pass to peak performance. I sniff out the good stuff, so you don't have to. Let's take a closer look at what makes this powerhouse tick and why it matters. Our topical vitamin C serum helps you face a daily battle against pollution, UV rays, and dehydration. But true radiance isn't just about surface shine, it's about deep-level resilience. Experience a formula designed to protect, plump, and perfect. We lead with a stabilized vitamin C and E powerhouse. These antioxidants form an invisible shield, neutralizing environmental stressors while visibly brightening dullness and evening out your skin tone. Combined with witch hazel and geranium, it refines your pores and balances natural oils for a smooth, filtered finish. Next, we flood the skin with moisture. Our botanical hyaluronic acid and aloe draw hydration deep into the layers, instantly plumping fine lines. Meanwhile, MSM and Go-To Cola go to work beneath the surface, supporting natural collagen and elastin to restore firmness and calm redness. It's a recovery session in every drop. Finished with jojoba oil and dandelion extract, this serum mimics your skin's natural chemistry. It absorbs instantly without a hint of grease, detoxifying your complexion and leaving you with a soft, supple glow that lasts from morning to night. No fluff, no fillers, just top shelf. Backed by science, brewed by nature, and bottled just for you using the most potent nutrients from premium ingredients. Packed with the purest quality. Take control of your vitality and power up with Nature's Gold, the new standard in health.